Hello people, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn about how to design a logic circuit for a given boolean equation. To design a logic circuit for given boolean equation, you have to familiar with some logic gates and their logic circuit, how their symbol is. Example, NOT gate symbol is like this, AND gate symbol is like this, OR gate symbol is like this, XOR gate, XNOR gate, and many more. So you can find them in my previous tutorial. You can search them. If you know about their symbol, then you can easily design a logic circuit for any boolean equation. So let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a equation expression a b c plus a b c bar. So here we will create a logical circuit. So we have three input ABC. First we have to apply ABC, means 1 minute, there may be a confusion in this, so you have to confirm which gate is used for which purpose. So we have to apply AND gate here because there is a we have to apply AND gate here. Okay, here we got ABC, and we also want inverse of ABC. So we will, and we will apply simply NOT gate here. So we got inverse of ABC, and we have to perform OR gate on we have to perform addition of those both expression. So we will perform addition by use of OR gate. So let's combine these gates into OR gate. So here we got our required output known as ABC plus ABC bar. This is how we design logic circuit for boolean expression. Thank you for watching. There are no need you have to apply NOT gate here, or you can apply NOT gate here and for individually, and you do not need to apply here. Output will be same. uh, uh, you can design in your way. There are no specific rules, but at the output side, the output should be the given boolean equation. Thank you for watching.